Picture yourself in the heart of ancient Rome, standing before an architectural masterpiece, the Rome Colosseum. This colossal structure, rising majestically against the sky, has been a symbol of the eternal city for almost 2 millennia. Our journey begins in 70 to 80 AD, during the reign of Emperor Vespasian, the founder of the illustrious Flavian dynasty. The construction of the Colosseum, initially known as the Flavian Amphitheatre, was a monumental task that would span the rule of 2 emperors. Vespasian set the grand vision in motion, but it was his successor and heir, Titus, who saw it to completion. The Colosseum was not merely an architectural feat. It was a statement of power and grandeur. With its vast, elliptical shape, an intricate network of arches and vaults, it showcased the pinnacle of Roman engineering. But the true spectacle lay within its walls. This was a stage like no other, a venue designed for the most extraordinary performances. The Colosseum bore witness to gladiatorial contests, where brave warriors fought to the death, their fate often decided by the whims of the crowd. It hosted elaborate mock sea battles, with the arena temporarily flooded to recreate naval warfare. It saw wild animal hunts, with beasts brought from the farthest corners of the empire to test the skill and courage of the hunters. And it was the backdrop for grand public spectacles, ceremonies and celebrations. A space where the people of Rome could revel in the glory of their empire. But beyond the spectacle and entertainment, the Colosseum had a darker purpose. It served as a tool of political propaganda, a place where the emperors could demonstrate their power and generosity, while simultaneously reminding the populace of the might of Rome and the consequences of defiance. This marvel of engineering, the Rome Colosseum, has withstood the test of time, bearing witness to the grandeur of the Roman Empire. Step into the past as we journey through the Colosseum's grand structure. As we approach, the colossal outer walls rise before us, a testament to the architectural brilliance of ancient Rome. Constructed from travertine limestone, tufa, and brick-faced concrete, the Colosseum stands as an enduring symbol of Rome's architectural prowess. The exterior, adorned with 80 arches on each of its 3 levels, was not merely for aesthetic appeal. These arches provided entry and exit points for the crowds, ensuring smooth movement through the vast amphitheatre. Above the arches you'd find the attic, where statues of gods and emperors once gazed down upon the crowds. Now, let's venture inside, into the heart of the Colosseum, the arena. This elliptical space, stretching 187 by 155 feet, was where gladiators clashed and exotic animals roamed. Beneath the arena, a complex underground system known as the Hypergym housed gladiators and wild beasts, ready to be hoisted into the spotlight. Moving upwards, we come to the terraces. The seating arrangements within the Colosseum were a clear reflection of the social hierarchy of ancient Rome. The closer to the action, the higher your social status. The Emperor's box held the prime position, offering the best view of the spectacle below. The senatorial class occupied marble seats in the front rows, while the general populace sat further up on wooden benches. The topmost level, known as the nosebleed section, was reserved for women, slaves, and the poorest citizens. Despite their high perch, these spectators revelled in the atmosphere, sharing in the collective gasp and cheer of the crowd. Our tour through the Colosseum's grand architecture offers a glimpse into the world of ancient Rome, a society defined by spectacle and hierarchy. Every corner of the Colosseum echoes the footsteps of those who walked before us, from valiant gladiators to the roaring Roman crowds. Immerse yourself in the vivid scenes of life and death that once played out within these ancient walls. Welcome to the heart of the Colosseum, where the pulse of Rome once beat in time, with the clash of swords and the roars of beasts. This grand amphitheatre, the largest of its kind, was a stage for the most spectacular and brutal spectacles the world has ever seen. Imagine the thunderous applause from the crowd as gladiators, warriors of unmatched skill and bravery, stepped onto the blood-soaked sand. These were men, and sometimes women, who were either slaves, criminals, or volunteers, driven by the prospect of glory and freedom. They would engage in mortal combat, their lives hanging on the edge of a gladius, the Roman short sword. The victor would bask in the applause, while the defeated awaited the crowd's judgment. A thumbs up for mercy, a thumbs down for death. But the Colosseum was not just a battlefield. It was also a theatre where wild animal hunts, known as venationes, took place. Exotic beasts from the farthest reaches of the empire were brought here to face off against brave hunters. Imagine the gasps of awe as elephants, lions, and even rhinoceros charged across the arena, a stark reminder of Rome's vast power and reach. Public executions too were held here, often at midday. These were not mere acts of punishment, but grand theatrical displays, designed to entertain and to serve as a reminder of the consequences of crossing the empire. The crowd would watch, enthralled, as justice was meted out with brutal efficiency. Throughout all these spectacles, the crowd was an entity of its own. Their cheers, boos, and roars of anticipation dictated the rhythm of the events, their reactions as much a part of the spectacle as the events themselves. The Colosseum, a place of entertainment and spectacle, was also a stage where the drama of life and death unfolded daily. The echoes of that drama, though faint, still reverberate through these ancient stones, whispering tales of a time when Rome was the heartbeat of the world. Fast forward to the present, the Colosseum stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of the Roman Empire. As the centuries have passed, this grand structure, once the heart of Roman entertainment, has evolved into a revered symbol of Rome's past. It's a popular tourist attraction, drawing millions of history enthusiasts, architects, and casual travelers from around the globe each year. They come to marvel at the architectural genius, to walk the same paths as the ancient Romans did, and to immerse themselves in a bygone era. Yet the Colosseum is more than just a tourist hotspot. It's a symbol of Rome, a city that has seen empires rise and fall, and yet continues to stand tall. It's a beacon of the city's resilience, its rich history, and its enduring allure. As you gaze upon its towering arches and crumbling stone, you're not just looking at a monument, but a tangible piece of Rome's past glory. Preserving this iconic structure, however, hasn't been an easy task. Over the years, conservation efforts have been put into place to protect the Colosseum from the ravages of time and exposure. Teams of experts work tirelessly, using a blend of ancient techniques and modern technology, to ensure that this testament to Roman ingenuity continues to stand tall for future generations to explore and admire. The Colosseum's historical and architectural significance hasn't gone unnoticed on the global stage either. It's been recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a designation that underscores its cultural importance. Further, its breathtaking design and historical significance have earned it a place as one of the new 7 wonders of the world, a testament to its enduring fascination and appeal. And so, as we wrap up our journey through time, we leave you with the Rome Colosseum standing proud and majestic under the Italian sky. It's a living piece of history, a symbol of Rome's past glory and a testament to the enduring fascination of the Roman Empire.